recording this?
Yeah.
Dude, you have a gnarly leak.
Really?
And a misfire.
Really? What's up, guys? I'm here in La Jolla at the mall waiting for my car to get done with its post-track inspection. I'm at the valet section, so I thought I'd kind of show you some of the cars that are parked here. I'm in La Jolla, so supercars and luxury cars are a dime a dozen here, and at the valet, you just never know what might pull up. There's a couple cool cars here that I thought I'd show you guys. I got the AMG. This is a really cool kind of like a station wagon E63S. You can get a V8 bi-turbo on that car, so it's an awesome ride. Then we got the Tesla Model S 100D, Porsche Panamera. I always liked these cars. I loved them when they came out. Then we got this car. This is like the grocery getter, and also you can kind of have a little bit more fun with it. Again, it's a V8 bi-turbo. This is the GLS 63 AMG. I love this car. Sitting right next to it, we got another AMG. This is the G63 G-Wagon V8 bi-turbo. This is the real deal G-Wagon. They got the G55 also. I don't really consider that the real deal G-Wagon. This is the V8 bi-turbo. It's got a little bit more personality to it. The BMW M5 Competition Series. We got a Bentley right here. We got another one of these station wagon Mercedes. This is an E400, so it's not a V8 bi-turbo, but still a really cool car. Then we're gonna go over to the Aston Martin. I mean, woo, look at the color on the Aston. Personally, I've never driven an Aston before, but I've heard of plenty of them, and that V12 just can't be beat. It's a true symphony. I really love the Aston Martins. Then over here, we got the yellow Lamborghini Huracan. Very cool car. I think it's the Evo, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so this is a new Huracan Evo. Sick car. I'm a McLaren guy. Always will be a McLaren guy. But check out the Evo, guys. Very sick car. I know there's a few of these at the dealership right now, so if we really want to, we can get a little bit more up close and personal with one. But just for being at the valet, pretty sweet car. So I am just here waiting for my car to get pulled around after its post-track inspection. And then we're gonna kind of hear the verdict as to whether or not anything is broken, anything is wrong with the car, anything needs to be replaced, if the car needs to stay here for a little bit. But honestly, I think the car is good to go. I didn't get any check engine lights. I didn't have anything weird go on the track. I didn't go off the track. The brakes performed. The tires were great. I ended up switching out the back two tires before getting onto the track, so I had plenty of grip even in the rain. And yeah, I'm just waiting to get my car back, and I'll let you guys know if there's anything that needs to get fixed or repaired on it. Here she is. She's getting parked in the spot. That means I get to take her home, which means nothing is wrong. We'll see what Cruz says. All right, Cruz, what's the verdict? She's good to go?
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Dude, you have a gnarly leak.
Really?
And a misfire.
Really?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my God, dude. So it's good to go.
Yeah, you're good, yeah.
All right, much love. You guys heard it from Cruz himself. He is the service advisor here at O'Gara in La Jolla. If you guys ever need any servicing done on your McLaren or Lamborghini or Bentley or Bugatti, hit him up. He can take care of you. And I am heading back home right now. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the day, and I am super stoked that nothing weird came up with the McLaren. It performed on the track as it should have. And we're good to go. I get the car back and she's ready to rip. I wanted to do this and kind of let you know how the car performed, and how these cars can go to the racetrack, rip on the racetrack, and be totally fine. There's no other car that performs like these, and I mean that, and they're extremely fun to drive. So if you ever have a chance or an opportunity to drive or own a McLaren, I highly recommend it. It's life-changing. It's been life-changing for me. All right, guys, much love, and let me know what you want to see on the next one. Be sure to like and comment on this video, and hit that subscribe button if you're not already doing so. Much love. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fresh Roots 12C. I am Fresh Roots. I'm here in La Jolla at the service center, and I just got the diagnosis and my car back here. There's Mark starting up his 675 LT. We Ubered down here together. He's got a track day coming up, so he had to do his track inspection. Turned out to be perfect timing, so we can kind of both Uber down together. But it turns out, guys, I had a sensor out, a tire pressure monitor sensor out, and that was replaced. Nothing too crazy. Everything else was squared away. Grand total for the repair, because this was not covered under warranty, is going to be $283.76. So not totally bad, guys. I can live with that. Got the car back looking good, and I haven't had it in a few days, so I'm actually looking really ready to rip on home and have a little bit of fun. But I will catch up with you guys in a little bit and make sure everything is looking right and driving right, and we'll go from there. All right, you guys, so I got the car back on its first drive, I guess you can say, since getting this sensor replaced on the way home from the dealership, and everything seems to be working fine. The car rips. There are no lights on the car, no tire pressure sensor faults, no check engine lights, nothing like that, and we're good as new. So 283 bucks and some change, and we're good to go, guys. Not that bad. So this one didn't break the bank. Sometimes the warranty is not going to cover everything. It's not going to cover wear and tear items. So I have my warranty still until September. So I got some months still going to go on there, and but so far nothing major is broken on the car. And if it does, I'm going to take you guys along with it, and we'll figure it out together. Hopefully it's a smooth rest of the ride home. I think I just barely beat the traffic. It's about 2 p.m. Traffic usually starts here on the 5 at about 5 p.m. or actually earlier than that, like 3 p.m. So I'll catch up with you guys when we're home, and hopefully nothing weird happens on the route. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is not my car. This is a McLaren 675 LT, one of 500 in the world. This is the first time I've been behind the wheel of a 675 LT. We're driving up to Huntington to drop these two cars off. I am following Mark in his McLaren MP412C in McLaren orange, and I am also in his 675 LT. We got to drop a couple of his cars off for some carbon fiber work today, and this car is aggressive, guys, let me tell you. First time behind the wheel of it, and it just seems to have a lot of power that it wants to put down. It's extremely track focused. You can tell how it's hunkered down. It's got the lift kit, which I kind of wish my car had, but it doesn't. This is an amazing car, guys. Well done, McLaren.